Hey, all you DIYers, welcome back to another edition of Just Try It DIY. Hey, today we're working on the Dodge again. I'm kind of excited. We're changing out the taillights. Not really because I wanted to, but on the other side, I have 3 LEDs that went out. And of course, you can't just replace those. You can't just replace the bulbs. You got to replace the whole thing. So it was actually cheaper to go this route to get a whole new taillight set than to just try and fix one light or one side. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the whole thing. So there's what we look like on our brake lights. So there's before, and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards after we get all the install done. So hey, let's get started. All right, so a little quick unboxing right here. There we go. There are the new taillights. I did go with a smoked look to kind of match with the truck, black truck. I think it looked pretty badass. But all right, so there's what we got there. I need to get the other one out of the other side. The screws to hold these in are just 2 screws on the inside. They are T25 Torx screws, and those are the ones that will be able to take the tail lights out. So we'll get around here, we'll show you what we got going on. So as we take these out,
I found out the trick to this.
all this wiring harness right here all has to come out. This is all going to come with and go to the new set of lights. The actual new light will actually plug into this harness. Alright, so here's the new light that goes on that side. Here's that wiring harness that we took off the old one. It goes back in. That light down here at the bottom. Lock in here. This, we're plugging right back in. We didn't really need to actually take that one out of there. Oops, sorry. This goes back into there. This is the new one that goes back in here. Locks on there like that. And this one gets plugged back in to here. Lock it back in. You can kind of push those back in here a little bit. Make sure we got the room for them. Just slide back in. We're lined back up there. They're on. So what we'll do next, I'll go ahead and get the other side done, and then we'll show you what they light up and what they look like when we're all done. Alright, so here we are. We got it all finished. This was a quick install. This really doesn't take too long. There's 2 screws. Pull them out, switch some wires and plugs around. You're good to go. The bottom light is still incandescent, but hey, everything's all LED above. We'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. She'll hit the brake light. There's the brake lights right there. That looks pretty good. Go ahead and start it up and we'll show you what the running lights look like. There's our running lights on the outside. Let up on the brake. There's our running lights. I think those look pretty nice. I like that. Looks really good. Our turn signals, when we turn them on, they are still on the inside just like that. Hey, this is an awesome install. Anybody could do this. This is an easy one to do. They're an X-Tune blacked out tail light. I'll hit all the description below. And hey, we'll see you next time. Go down, hit subscribe. See ya.